Hi guys, so I've decided to document the building process of our two-bedroom house which we are building, or which we've started building on a quarter plot. And so at this point, they've come to install the windows, the glass windows. And so I was basically going around just to inspect it, to see how it's looking. And I must say I'm pretty impressed with the job that has been done so far. The house is on the quarter plot, as I said. So in terms of width, it's not like very wide, but it's long. You get it. So as you can see from the video, so we're basically done with the metal fabrications on the windows, and then they are done with the glass windows as well. And I really like the design that I chose. It's pretty nice. So this is our first building and I'm really excited about it. If you know, building in Ghana ain't easy. I'm sure building anywhere ain't easy, but in Ghana as well, from issues with land and all that stuff, and getting people to work on time and all that. So this is basically behind the house and the other side of it. So it's a half plot that I shared with another person. So I had the quarter plot and the other person has a quarter plot. And yeah, so basically just going around it. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. So yeah, that's the window, and just going around it. They used a bit of the tiles. There were a lot of things that these guys did that without consultation. For instance, the tiles they put at the entrance, they just used some of the tiles that were left from, I think, the living room. So this is the living room, and these are the other glasses that they are going to use on on this side. So this is the living room to the kitchen. So the idea is to just use a glass window to separate the living room, a bit of the living room from the kitchen, so that when you are in the living room, it will be such that you can see whatever is happening. So now they fixed we did the POP, so they fixed the POP, and I went with the kids, and that's my brother Junior. So they finally installed the windows as well. So enjoy. bathroom door is also fixed. The ceiling has also been done. The POP. We need to paint this side again because they fixed the doors and then the towels are also. Then the bathroom. We need to get somebody to clean up the paint and all that on the floor. But yeah, the bathroom window has been installed. The sink is here. The shower. The water heater is also here. Yep. It's looking good. It's looking so good. Yep. Happy, happy, happy. Awesome. Master bedroom. It's not open. That's the master bedroom. Still have some of the master bedroom is quite big. Yeah, so some of the towels and that way these are broken towels left over from the tiling that was done. And so that's the bathroom as well. This place still needs a little work. We've not yet installed the water heater and the shower for this place, but the sink is here, it's installed, it's left with the mirror. And the toilet is also installed. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this too. The Tyler needs to complete his work here because he had to wait for the doors to be installed. So now that the doors are all installed, he has to complete the tiling. Basically, quite happy about the work done so far. So second here. Hey, look at this snake lizard. How is it gonna go out? Hey, little man, what you doing in my house? What you doing in my house? Means that there's an opening somewhere. The way it's able to come inside. That means we need to check. So this is the corridor. That's the kitchen. We haven't installed the things yet in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We're going to break this down because the mason didn't get the concept. He shouldn't have put this there. No works to be done here. Including the one that back here. Break it down and the kitchen is allowed to install cabinets and everything. We use the stove, what's the name? We are thinking of putting like a little island here, like a small island here, and then do the cabinets from here all the way here. You already have the sink, so the sink will be installed somewhere here. And yeah, and then we have this glass. We decided to fix this so that when you're in the kitchen, you can just, didn't want to have like a real open kitchen, but this is just like to separate the kitchen from the living room. So you can open it and then check out what's happening in the living room, and also maybe serve some food from here, you know, something like that. That was the idea behind this. So yeah, you can see the living room from here, but if you are in the living room, you cannot see the kitchen. So basically that's what we decided to go with. But yeah, that's the kitchen. All the sockets, most of the sockets have been done, and then the fridge will be somewhere here as well. Yeah, to be around here.
That will be a washing machine. Yes.
Yeah. And this door leads you outside the house. You've locked it, but it basically takes you outside. And yeah, so now to the living room. So this also, so basically we use the same doors for all the interiors. And this brings you to the living room. So this is the living room. We still have some cement here, which we are using for the septic tank at the moment. So basically that's the living room. So we did a POP for it. Some of the lights have been installed. So like we're saying, this is the glass that divides the living room. So it serves as a divider for the living room and the kitchen. So basically, we're going to break down that as well. And break this one down and do a proper like counter where you can also sit and eat. So because the living room is too small to have like a dining area, so basically this will serve as a dining area. So we'll extend it and we'll break that and make it more like suitable materials. But yeah, the sockets are installed, the lights, all those things. We are yet to bring electricity here. We started the process to apply for electricity. So once that is sorted, prayerfully.
Yeah,
so that's the soccer way.
Yeah.
The manhole, sorry.
So what we
so deep.
Yeah.
You can't really see from the video, but it's really deep.
Yeah.
So these are some of the blocks we are going to use for the manhole. We decided to do like a normal manhole. Yeah. Initially we were deciding between doing that and then the biodigester, but eventually we decided to go with this one. Yeah. Because it's more safe and secure, I guess. So even though it's more expensive, but yeah. So that's the house. The outside, someone is also building quite close to us. So, and this is on a quarter plot of land. So yeah, really excited. Still a lot of work to be done, but yes, I'm happy so far. So finally the manhole is done. I'm so happy. That's the covering. That was what you saw before, but yeah, it's done now. Very, very, very happy. So yeah, it was one of the key things that we needed to do. So now that is done, I'm very, very happy. We're waiting for it to dry. So thanks so much for watching. I'll keep you updated and I'll try to do a lot of updates. Thanks so much. See you next time.